I'm going to show you a yummy homemade chili sauce with fresh chilies. And trust me, this Thai sweet chili sauce is so much better than the stuff in the bottle. I will start with the main ingredient, the red chili. And in this recipe, I am going to use 2 types of red chili. The one you saw is พริกชี้ฟ้า or spur chilies. They are medium or mild spicy. We are going to use them for chili flavor, color, and texture. But you can use any mild chilies that are available in your area. I'm going to cut the chilies into medium chunks, then cut it in half to remove its seeds. I didn't remove the chili seeds because I'm afraid of spiciness. I just think it's not look pretty at all to see them in a quite transparent sauce. That's why I will remove it as much as possible. After that, I will leave it aside and start with the second chilies. I'm going to use some red jinda chilies for spiciness, but you can use whatever spicy chilies that you've got. And if you prefer to have mild sauce, you can skip this. Well, we will prepare these spicy chilies same as the previous ones. After that, set it aside. Now go get your mortar and pestle. For a better taste, we also need some garlic in this sauce. So bring it in the mortar. Start to pound until the garlic is nice and fine. Then bring the chopped chilies into the mortar and pound it too. If you don't have a mortar or you run out of time, a blender or a food processor is what you need. But don't forget to add a little bit of water, just enough to get this stuff blend smoother. But honestly, if you have a mortar and time, a mortar is much better, so let's pound it together. We don't need a perfectly fine paste for this sauce, just a roughly paste. So if you see some chili chunks here and there, that's totally fine. When we have the paste like this, we are ready to go for the next step. I will turn the gas on low to medium heat, then bring my lovely pot. Pour some water into your pot. To make it easier for you, I wrote down the ingredient list in the description box below. Then we add white sugar. You can use brown sugar too, but I have tried it before, and even if the taste is very good, the color of the sauce will not be as crystal clear as with white sugar. Now stir to mix on low heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, we will add some fish sauce for umami flavor. But you can skip it if you make this sauce for vegan or vegetarian person. I will still also add some salt, just a little bit for the taste. Some vinegar. Keep it low heat and stir to mix. At this point, you can taste the sauce to know if you need more saltiness or sweetness, because after you add corn flour, it's difficult to season the sauce again. And it's time for the beautiful chilies. Bring the chili paste into the sauce and give it a stir. Now we are going to simmer it for about 5 minutes to let the garlic and the chilies cook and infuse its smell and flavor into the sauce. When our chili sauce is smelling and looking so delicious, we are going to work on its thickness. So what we have to do is dissolve the tapioca starch very well in water. You can also use corn flour for this step, but I personally prefer using a tapioca starch because in the end, it makes the sauce clearer. All you have to do is to keep stirring while gently pouring the flour mixture into the sauce because the flour is getting cooked very fast. So if you add the flour mixture all in one time, it will make big chunks in the sauce, and that's not what we want, right? When all is mixed, turn off the heat and we will let the sauce cool down a little bit. Look at how beautiful it is. Let's pour this beautiful sauce into a jar, and you can keep that in your fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks. You can have this delicious Thai sweet chili sauce with fried chicken, fried tofu, spring rolls, or even Thai chicken satay. Okay, to be honest, everything is good with some Thai sweet chili sauce. But my go-to would definitely be tofu nuggets and deep fried chicken Thai style. This was a fun and easy recipe, so if you like it, please drop that like button and subscribe for more yummy recipes. See you next week. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย